Okay, I just got 2 brand new tires. Look at that, I got rocks in them already. And the back one has a pretty impressive tire. Look at the size of these nubbies. It's kind of a tight fit through here. It actually rubs a little bit, but it shouldn't be too long before I get the tires worn out. Whew. Oh no! No, 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 no! Okay, we're gonna find out how the new tires do in the snow, huh? Oh! Oh, it's spinning. It's a spinning. Doing good, doing good. Woohoo! These new tires do very well in the snow. Of course, that was packed snow. How much worse is this gonna get? Oh! Oh crap. Oh crap. How deep is that? Bill, you're gonna make a very stupid mistake. Okay. Am I gonna hit? Come on, tires! Go, go, go! Spin, 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 spin! Keep spinning! Keep spinning! Yes! Whew. Let's go back and take a look at that. Oh. Oh. I did a lot of spinning through here. That back tire was just going around and oh, look at that early. Did some digging. Oh, look at that. All right. I might wind up coming back this way. I wonder if we'd be better off over there. Well, guess what? Everybody's still intact. Ooh, nice and tight there. Alright, let's at a little less than 2. Make sure my tire didn't shift on me. Okay. Well, we're not going to be stupid. No way I'm going across that. I did a walkabout, and there's even sticks and stuff across the road. So if I had this much trouble on packed snow, speak of the devil, we're turning around. We'll have to come up with a new game plan for today's exploring. Uh-oh. 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 Might have a problem. Heh, 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 heh. That's steep. No problems. What are we gonna do, Bill? Wow. Let's do this off camera. Okay, I did a little of the rocking back and forth and I managed to get it out of the hole. Now, let's see if we can get into another hole. Oh boy, this is not going to be fun. Here we go. Woohoo! Okay. Alright. Ooh. Apparently that water puddle was solid rock underneath. Because my spinning tire hit it. This thing took off like a goat. Alright. We can get out of here. Oh, piece of cake. Alrighty. Oh, a little bit more snow. Yeah. Ow. Oh, right. Oh. My body armor didn't help me much when it slaps you in the side.